Now let's talk about my 7-step secret formula to succeed with affiliate marketing. This is the exact formula that I have used to generate over $100,000 in affiliate commissions. I'm not talking about affiliate revenue. I'm talking about affiliate commissions, the money that I have put in my pocket. Okay. My 7-step secret formula to succeed with affiliate marketing. Step number one, which is the most basic step of any online business, get a website. I don't need to explain this, but still, I'll make a point. A lot of people don't create a website because they have this mentality that I will only invest money when I make money after selling a product. Think about it for a minute. Is that even the right mentality? You are saying that you are a business owner, you are saying that you are an affiliate marketeer, and yet you are not ready to invest money to purchase a domain name, to purchase a hosting, and put together a website on which you would be promoting affiliate products. Because your mindset says that I would only do it once I make the money. No one is going to buy from you. No one is going to buy from you. Until and unless, of course, you are selling Amazon products, but still people prefer to, have a website from which they can make the purchase with a proper review. So get a website. That is the first thing. Number two, brand yourself. Now, this is extremely important. See, in affiliate marketing, it's very important that you brand yourself the right way. And how do you brand yourself? You brand yourself by picking up one niche and having your own voice. You brand yourself by picking up one niche and having your own voice. How do you do that? So, for example, my main niche is internet marketing. My main niche is digital marketing. When I am doing affiliate marketing, I make sure that the products I choose are of this niche. I have a voice when I do affiliate marketing, and I do not mean the voice that I'm using to speak right now. I mean, when I'm reviewing a product, when I'm checking out a product, when I'm doing a promo, I have a voice. I am branding myself. Some people call me arrogant, some people call me funny, some people call me witty, some people call me sarcastic. But guess what? I am branding myself. That is extremely important. If you look at the top affiliate marketers like Neil Patel, everyone says, most of the people actually says that he is a very smiling guy. It's a very important part of his branding. He is always wearing light colors, white t-shirt, most likely, most of the cases. His background is very cool. He is always having a clean shaved head. He rarely has a mustache. These are the external factors of his branding. And similarly, there are a lot of internal factors as well. So make sure that you brand yourself. Okay. The third one is have an email autoresponder. Now, this is also important. See, when you are doing affiliate marketing, you need to send emails. You need to send emails and you need to build an email list. And you cannot build an email list until and unless you do not have an email autoresponder to collect the data. You cannot build an email list until and unless you do not have an email autoresponder to collect the data. The only way to build an email list, the only way to do an affiliate marketing is by building an email list. Okay. Now, when you have an email autoresponder, you can reach out to your audience directly. See, you do not own Instagram, you do not own Facebook, you do not own any other social media platform. All of these social media platforms can ban you at any point of day. The only asset that you have in your business is your email marketing list, is your customer database, is your tribe or the audience that you are building. Their mobile numbers, their email IDs is the only asset that you have. Your Facebook ads pixel is not your asset. Your Google Analytics tracking code is not your asset. Your YouTube channel is not your asset. That is why you need to have an email autoresponder. Okay. And one of the things that most people do wrong when it comes to affiliate marketing is that they send emails from email IDs like, let's say, hi, I'm Srijan at gmail.com, which is a poor way. Whenever you are using an email ID like this, hi, I am Srijan at gmail.com, your emails are most likely going to land in spam because email autoresponders and all the major email service providers, which means the ESPs, they want you to send emails from a professional email account, which means instead of sending emails from hi, I am Srijan at gmail.com, if I send emails from hi at srijan.com, my emails are going to rank. And it also means that more and more people are going to see my emails. That is why you need to have a professional email account as well. and you need to warm it up, of course. Okay, you need to warm that up as well. Number 4, have a long-term vision, because this is a real business. Now please understand, let me share this to you with the help of an example. Okay, in the last 1 year, I made over 10 lakh rupees in commissions with 3 products, and that too in my Indian list. Okay, and most people are reluctant to promote in the Indian list because they say we Indians don't spend a lot of money. I made 10 lakh rupees in commissions with a total audience size of 3,000 people. In the beginning, it was 3,000, and then it turned to 5,000 actually. And I made a revenue of, oh sorry, a commission of 10 lakh rupees, which means for every person, I was making 200 rupees. And of course, not everyone purchased. For those 10 lakh rupees, I would say 150 people would have made a purchase. And 150 is also a high estimate. Actually, 70 or 80 would have made a purchase. But what does this tell you? This tells you that I had a long-term vision. I believed in affiliate marketing and I made a long-term vision. I made sure that I do this business long-term, and that is why out of all of the people who purchased through my link and because of whom I got the commission, they also make repeat purchases. The people, like I would say 60% of people purchased at least 2 products from me last year. Isn't that crazy? 60% people made at least 2 purchases through my link in the last 1 year, which means that I am still getting paid by the same set of people in my audience, because some of them are business owners, some of them are coaches, some of them are consultants, some of them are agency owners, some of them are service providers. They all need to buy tools regularly. They all need to buy programs and mentorship regularly. They all need to go to events regularly. Of course, by all, I mean the serious ones. And that is my audience. That is my email list. On an average, each of these people are making at least 1 purchase every single month. So for example, right now I'm doing this through Zoom. I'm using a hosting, I'm using a platform to send emails, and so on and so forth. I have so many different tools that I recommend to my audience, and I have a long-term vision for each. I have a 5-year long vision. I see each and every customer of mine making purchases from me 2 to 3 times a year, at least for the next 5 years. And on the basis of that, I can easily calculate that at least for the next 5 years, even with the same audience, I say 10% of people stop buying from me every single year, I'm still going to make 45 lakh rupees in the next 5 years as affiliate commissions. And I only have a list of 3,000 to 5,000 people as of now, from where I also remove people who don't open my emails in the last 90 to 180 days. Think about it for a moment. Number 5, only promote products that you have used yourself. I have stopped promoting products that I have never used myself, and I'll not play any saint. I'll not play myself as someone who has never made a mistake. I have made mistakes of promoting products that I never used myself, and guess what? My audience lost trust in me. When I was promoting products that I had never used, people stopped believing me because they were like, you don't use this product yourself. How can you recommend it to us? You are here to make quick money, right? You feel that if you can make us buy something that you yourself have never used, you would get commissions. And since the last 3 years, I have only promoted products that I have personally used. Of course, this does not hold true in case of when I have promoted an event, but in that case, I made sure that I have used at least a different product from the same vendor, because now I only promote products that I use myself. So I am more likely to gain, like, to make more sales, and my customers are more likely to gain more benefit because they are getting a review of a product firsthand. Number 6, create a proper campaign. Don't be lazy. This is a huge uh, secret, I would say, because most of the people don't think like this. When I promote an affiliate product, I make sure that I promote it consistently over a period of time. I don't make just one email to my list. I don't make just one social media post. I don't put just one story on Instagram. I promote it day in, day out, consistently. I create a proper campaign where I know that, okay, I'll review the product on this day. I'll create a review video on this day. I'll send an email campaign on this day. I'll do a webinar on this day. After that, I'll take 2 days of break in between for the audience. I'll send them some value mails, and then I'll do another webinar. And that is how I create a proper campaign. Affiliate marketing is not for lazy people. If you are a lazy person, don't do affiliate marketing. You would not make money. You need to create proper campaigns, and each campaign takes a lot of time. Personally, I take around 10 to 15 days in doing one campaign. That is the amount of effort and consistency that I'm putting in. Number 7, the seventh secret to have amazing success in affiliate marketing is that have a sales sequence in place. Pre-sell, sell, and post-sell. Most people only think about sale. How will a sale directly happen until and unless you are not doing pre-sale, which means you are not educating your audience about a product, and that too with different angles. So you are showing them the demo of the product, you are showing them you using your product, then you are showing them you doing a walkthrough, then you are having the guy who is the product creator an interview with him where he is adding value. That is the pre-sale sequence. Then you are doing the selling, which I personally do either through direct a sales page or through a webinar. Webinar is something I prefer more, and I make sure that I do 2 webinars. Number one, the first webinar is done after 3 days, at least 3 days of pre-selling. Then I do a webinar, and after the webinar I provide value for 2 to 3 more days, and then I do a follow-up and a closing webinar. And after that there is an other post-sale sequence, which means for people who are purchasing from my link, they are going to get something, and the people who have not purchased after the second webinar, they are going to get my emails for at least 3 more days, which means 3 days of pre-sale, fourth day of webinar, 2 days of gap, seventh day another webinar, 3 days another uh, email sequence, and 2 to 3 days in preparing for the entire campaign. And of course, sometimes any of these can take longer. So I would say 15 days in average. That is the amount of time I spent in one campaign. Are you guys able to get this? Are you comprehending this? Because I want to make sure that I am extremely 100% honest and transparent to you. And that is why I'm telling you this is not a get quick rich scheme. You are not going to make a quick buck. This is not for lazy people. Affiliate marketing is a full-time business. And if that's you, then I hope these secrets helped you. Let me know if this helped you. And drop in a comment if you have, like drop in a question if you have. Okay, I have a few questions. Okay, I'll 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 repeat. Okay, I'll repeat. So when I say the post sale sequence, what I mean is when someone purchases from your link, would you not want to say thank you? When someone makes a purchase from your link, would you not want to say a thank you? By a post sale sequence, I mean that you simply thank the people who made a purchase, and you also thank people who showed interest. See, it's not necessary that everyone is going to buy from you, right? If I get 500 people on a webinar, I know that around 40 or 50 of them will buy. 450 people are not going to buy anything. Does that mean I do not appreciate them? I do not thank them for their time? They have not paid me in money, but they have paid me in time. They have invested their time with me in a campaign, in a webinar. They showed interest. Maybe they did not like a product. Maybe they wanted a few different features. Maybe they were just curious, but they're investing their time, right? They're building a relationship with me. That is why you need to thank each and every person who participates. Think of this as a team effort. Think of this as a team effort, okay? Now, when I say that you need to have a campaign, what I mean is that, see, you cannot directly promote a product, okay? You cannot directly promote a product. You need to first use the product yourself. You need to first use the product yourself. Then you need to create a review video. You need to have a demo video. You need to have a walkthrough video. You need to have another form of video from the vendor. See, a sale does not happen magically. It does not occur that I wake up one day and I see my phone and it says Elon Musk has sent you $1 million in affiliate commission for selling 5 Tesla cars. That does not happen. It's a bullshit story that people feed you. If you want a sale to happen, the day you start working, expect a sale to happen at least 30 days after it. If you are beginning, if you are just a beginner, if you are someone who is doing it regularly, expect the sale to happen 7 days afterwards. Because initially you are going to create a pre-sale campaign where you are going to review the product. Then there is going to be a sales campaign where you will either send the traffic to a sales page or you will do a webinar. Then there is going to be a follow-up campaign, and then finally there is going to be a post webinar sequence and a post sales campaign. Does that make sense to you?